What is lean? Lean can be applied to everyday activities. It lets you do more work in the same amount of time, or it lets you do the same work in less time. Lean focuses on the elimination of waste and also focuses on continuous improvement, which involves processes and value-added activities. What is waste? Waste can be defined as delays, movement and transport, poor process design, inventory, inefficient performance of a process, and making defective items. What is continuous improvement? Continuous improvement is the ongoing process of improving processes, waste, and services. These improvements are often made in small increments, and rarely do they create a large increase in efficiency. We're going to look into the simple tool of flowcharts. So what is a flowchart? A flowchart is just a graphical representation of a process. So essentially, this is a map from start to finish. This lets us easily see the flow of information and helps highlight hidden weights and often over complexity. Here are a few common flowchart symbols. We have process blocks, stop and start blocks, decision blocks, sub-process blocks, and preparation blocks. There are many more blocks that can be used in flowcharts, but these are the most common and most useful. Here's a simple example of a flowchart of just driving home. So for preparation, we have to have our keys to unlock our car. So we start by unlocking our car and getting in it, and then we can see do we have enough gas to get home. If we do, then we simply just go home. But if we don't, then we have to stop at the gas station before we go home. And then the process ends. Now we're going to look into another tool, a spaghetti diagram. This is a method to trace the path or person of an object throughout a process with lines. The spaghetti diagram is drawn out on a floor map to visualize the entire process. How does the spaghetti diagram help? This tells us where product flow goes, paper flow, and even people flow. So this shows us inefficient processes, unnecessary travel, and it shows us overall waste, which helps us improve our process. Here's an example of a spaghetti diagram for collecting garbage at home. Notice that the person starts here at the start circle and then goes to a room to collect the garbage and then returns back to dispose the garbage, and then back to another room. This is an inefficient process because there's more travel time. Let's look at a more efficient process where the person starts from the circle and then goes to a room and then to the next room and collects all the garbage at once. This is a more efficient process because there's less travel time. This is the same idea that waiters use in a restaurant. A more efficient waiter will make a loop with all their tables instead of going back and forth from table to kitchen. So next time you're at a restaurant, take a look and see what your waiter's doing.